All right, guys, just a few reminders about your stations. Remember, number one, drawing station supplies are open. Don't forget, we have oil pastels also located on the cubby shelf. We also have rulers and drawing supplies for you to observe, like your mannequins and animals and things like that. So, those are available for you to use. Also, we have tempera paint that you can use. We also have watercolors that you can use. And today we are opening up the liquid tempera station. With the liquid tempera station, please let me help you get out the paint that you want for today. And at the end of class, if you have any leftover paint, just place it back up here on the countertop so that we can reuse it if we need to. But I just want to show you, these bottles are special bottles. They have a squeeze nozzle, and so literally you just barely put pressure on the bottle and then your color comes out and then you place it back in the container. And that's, if I ever let you get your own paint, that's how you do that. Please do not overfill. This red is way too full. The green and the white and the black are the amounts that you need to get. Okay, so that is open for today as well. Don't forget that you also have, sorry, I just spun you around the room, your paper sculpture station. We are adding a few things. If you look on the drawers, some of them have round stickers. Those round stickers are also open today. The top one up here says Wiggly Eyes, green dot. It's open. You can open that drawer, pull out what you need. Wooden skewers, Q-tips and long wooden sticks, beads, sequins, and then last but not least, foam and foam shapes. In the sequin drawer, there's also pipe cleaners. Sorry, I forgot to label that. But only the ones with the polka dots are open. And if you notice when you open them, they should be nice and organized. And you need to make sure that you return things exactly the way that you find them. If I see that that is a problem, then of course that station will be closed. Couple of other stations, drawing things that are available today. If you see, this area also has polka dot stickers. You have up here at the top, oh, what does that say? It says, somebody touched it. Oh, chalk pastels, metallic markers, circle tracing items. For example, if you ever need to draw a circle in here, you can open up that drawer and there's different size things that you can trace. Metallic markers are nice and neat in here as well, and metallic crayons and colored pencils. So again, return everything back the way that you find it. And then we have our colored pencils in this one and sharpeners, and then there's a bunch of things in here that you guys have not used before. So these are called gel slicks. These are color sticks, and then down here in the bottom there's some bags of Neo colors. Those are nice and bright, and then of course there's extra twistable crayons that you can use. Also today, sorry, I've got my list of to-dos up here on the board. We are going to demonstrate printmaking a little bit differently, and then also we're going to have table captains this week. So if you are number 1, 10, or 18 at the end of class, you guys are going to make sure that your area is spotless just like this, so that when the next class comes in, they have a nice clean area to work. Last week we worked with the jelly plates and we learned that you can use markers on them. This week we can also add our tempera to these. So you can take your color on here. Then there are these items right here that you can use. They have a nice soft rubber tip. You can draw patterns and designs into your paint. And then you can also try printing that as well. So you can take your paper, just like we did last time. Rub, 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 rub. And then you remember, you can see it coming out the back. Pull it, and then you have your print. And the cool thing is, again, just like before, you can make changes and you can reprint. So if there is still paint on your jelly plate, then you can do something new to it and then try to print that as well until you get that jelly plate nice and clean. Now, if you need help cleaning it off, please ask and I will help you do that. at the end of class. Remember, this has paint in it, so I'm just going to take it and place it back on the counter with the others. And then my dirty brush, and everything will go in the dirty brush. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoy your new sections or new items.